The microcosm expands to the macrocosm. In the infinite, we are neither separate nor superior.
Together, we become the boundless love we seek. True birth of humanity begins in silence and reflection.
Let us unite in love, transforming into boundless love.